window hums a quiet tune. Leaves are dancing in the afternoon. I write your name, the ink runs slow, as autumn whispers where to go. Every line becomes a sigh. Between the words I say goodbye. This autumn postcard I send